At her cousin's wedding, amidst the laughter and dancing, Amy found herself on the sidelines, her smile faltering. The lights glimmered and the music swelled, but all Amy could feel was a growing discomfort, tugging at the seams of her dress. With every reflection in the mirror, a harsh truth echoed back. It was more than just the fit of her clothes. Her health was slipping, her vitality dimmed by weight and weariness. This was her turning point, the moment when the festive joy around her laid bare the changes she desperately needed to make. Fueled by a new resolve, Amy immersed herself in a sea of health trends and diets, her eyes scanning page after page until she found a beacon: the ketogenic diet. The testimonials spoke of transformation, of lives changed, and Amy's curiosity turned to hope. She arranged a meeting with Dr. Susan Greer, a seasoned nutritionist known for her expertise in keto. In Dr. Greer's comforting office, adorned with books and plants, Amy received not just a diet plan but a new perspective on eating. "This isn't just a diet," Dr. Greer explained, "it's a way to reclaim your joy in living." Amy's path was not without its hurdles. The keto flu hit hard, testing her resolution as social gatherings became battlegrounds of temptation. Yet, with unyielding perseverance, Amy emerged stronger each day. 2 months along this transformative journey, the results were undeniable: pounds shed, energy soared, and a passion for keto-friendly culinary creations ignited. Morning reflections now featured a vibrant Amy, skillfully preparing her favorite avocado and egg breakfast bowl, a once mundane meal now a symbol of her regained control and zest for life. A year woven with dedication culminated in triumph for Amy, who not only met her weight loss goal but rediscovered her vibrancy. Reflecting with gratitude, she shared her journey publicly, her transformative before and after photos a testament to her determination. The apex of her journey echoed at a wedding, similar to where it all began, but this time the scene was different. Amy was at the heart of the celebration, dancing with a lightness in her steps, her laughter genuine, her presence radiant. It was a testament to her newfound confidence and a life joyously reclaimed.